Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. A cold front is moving away to the east of the country today, and behind it, a high-pressure system, as usual, is ridging along the coastline, and that's pushing in cooler and moist air over KwaZulu-Natal, where it's going to be a cloudy day, and there could also be light rain in places. A sunny Sunday lies ahead for much of the western parts of the country, and our synoptic analysis is also picking up precipitation on the high felts this afternoon, the usual summertime thunderstorms developing over that area. But for today, there's also a potential that some of those thunderstorms could become quite strong. And for this reason, the South African Weather Service has issued a watch for the potential of severe thunderstorms developing over Gauteng and some of the surrounding areas. Taking a look at the alerts once again, we see that there's also a warning. This is for a high fire danger across much of western South Africa, and runaway fires could develop within those areas. A rainfall probability map shows scattered thunder showers today over Gauteng and Mpumalanga, as well as towards the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, isolated over the northwest as well as over into some parts of the Northern Cape. Light rain along the east coast of the country and around Port St John's as well as East London. There's only a 20% chance for the rest of the day. Here's your detailed forecast, and while most of the northern parts of South Africa are going to be quite hot for both Bombela and Ermelo, cooler air reaching the area along with thicker cloud, keeping temperatures in the lower 20s for the afternoon. It's going to be an overcast and cool day for much of KwaZulu-Natal, along with rain in places. Similar temperatures over the Eastern Cape interior, but much of this region will remain dry. Along the coastline, a possibility that there could be light rain. Durban and Richards Bay, you have fresh southerly winds, while for Port Elizabeth, light winds at 15 kilometers per hour. A warm day expected for the southern interior, Beaufort West, Oudtshoorn and Robertson, all reaching a high of 27 degrees. While along that south coast, it's going to be a cool day with partly cloudy skies and windy weather still expected from Cape Agulhas through to Muizenberg, averaging at about 40 kilometers per hour. Sunny skies for most of the northern Cape, but for Kimberley, you could have a few thunderstorms, a high of 34 degrees. And it's going to be a breezy day for Langebaan and Cape Town with fresh winds, but much better compared to yesterday's gale force winds over the area. A southerly swell reaching a height of 3 meters, and for Table Bay, low tide this afternoon at 19 minutes to 4. Tomorrow brings more thunderstorms to Gauteng. Johannesburg gets to a maximum of 27 degrees, and unfortunately for beachgoers along the east coast of the country, more cloud and cool weather in the forecast. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.